I belong to Guna, Madhya Pradesh. I completed my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Guna and my graduation from IEH Bhopal. And sir, I belong to a family of farmer or agriculturist family, sir.
So you are agriculturist belonging to agriculture
Yes, sir.
family.
Yes, sir.
Then why you are not pursuing agricultural activities?
Sir, I belong to an agriculture family, but sir, it's a fact that my father never take me to the farms, and after that, sir, I grew up in such a way that I always not tilted, but I always uh, just wanted to live a life like an officer, sir, and officer to be an lifestyle to be an officer like style, and that's why I came for the uniform forces, and I am giving this interview.
Okay.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me your 5 weaknesses.
Sir, the one is I can say is my writing, sir, because I think so that I can improve it. Second is, sir, somewhere I am weak in grammatical portion of the English.
But you have won the speech competition.
But sir, it is in Hindi, can we?
Okay. So you are comfortable right now in Hindi or English?
No, sir, I am comfortable in English, but I am saying that sometime I made some mistakes in English, and definitely, sir, after the I am improving it day by day.
You have studied political science.
Yes, sir.
Uh, can you tell me some name of thinkers, political thinkers?
Sir, Indian political thinkers or the
Both. 5 Indian and 5
Western political thinker. Sir, Plato, Socrates, Machiavelli, uh, J.S. Mill, and Hobbes, sir. And in Indian political thinkers, sir, Ram Manohar Lohia, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Chanakya, J.P. Narayan.
Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy. What was political thinking of Mahatma Gandhi?
Sir, Mahatma Gandhi is basically emphasized on the decentralization and with the self-sufficiency of villages and mm, uh, sir, somewhere we can say that a stateless society.
Stateless society.
Sir, somewhere we can say, not directly I am not confirmed as about it.
Okay, Shiv, what is the concept of utilitarianism?
Sir, utilitarianism is given by J.S. Mill. And sir, according to it, how the most human can use the things or utilize the things. It is, sir, based on that. And sir, I am not much sure about these topics, sir, as from 2018 I am not in touch with these subjects, sir.
You are appearing in CDS, you are appearing in CAPF.
Yes, sir.
What is your main aim?
Sir, my first and foremost aim is to get an uniform job and to be in that lifestyle, sir.
And what is your hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies is diary writing or journaling, cooking, and my interest is public speaking. Yes, sir.
And what are the elements of diary writing?
Sir, elements I directly do not know, but how can I write my diary? I can tell you.
What do you write in your diary?
Sir, basically, my diary is emphasized on the three things, and the most important part is the maintaining of my timetable. What I did my yesterday, what I have to do my next day. And third is that reflective writing type, where I write those things that I like in that day, or something someone told me and I like that thing and I want to inculcate in my nature that thing. So these things I write, sir, mainly.
And you have done your graduation in political science.
Yes, sir.
How your degree will help police organization?
Sir, political science basically basically deals with the decision making, sir. And in uniform job or in the police, sir, we have to take many types of decision. Another, sir, political science teaches us how should be a ruler, not a ruler but a leader can be. Like as Machiavelli said, that it should be clever like a fox, brave like a lion. So that these are the things that we can inculcate. And the another thing, like a leader should be the one whose rationality should dominate its courage and appetite. So these are the basic qualities that we learn from that political science and we implement in our job.
So what are the major differences between the Machiavelli and the Vishnugupta?
Sir, for Vishnugupta, the greater good is the society, or in the people whom the king is ruling. And for Machiavelli, the greater good is the king, like how the king can rule.
So whom we should accept and whom should we deny?
Sir, as I can say that we should inculcate good things from both of them. But in a democracy, the first and foremost thing is the people. So we can say that we adopt more things from the Chanakya or the Vishnugupta.
And you said that the political science is all about the decision making.
Not
and
all about, but it deals with, sir.
And then what does the public administration do? It's totally administrative.
Yes, sir, it is also, sir.
And also the part of your political science. Then why? Then how only political science? Why not public administration?
Sir, public administration also, but as there is only in one semester I have public administration, so that's why I do not have that much detailed.
In one semester you have gone through the public administration.
Yes, sir.
And how public administration is different from the political science?
Sir, public administration is mainly talking about how the hierarchy can be and how can an organization can be formed, and these things I studied, sir. And in political science, like I told you, how a leader should be, how a democratic tour set up, and these things I study mainly in political science, sir.
Okay. And you have opted CISF first choice and BSF last choice. And as I know that BSF's largest academy is in your area. Why then you have opted BSF last option?
Sir, I cannot say BSF is my last option, but I can say, sir, BSF is my fifth preference, and every force is equal for me. As I had to give preference, that's why I gave. Another, sir, I can say instead of fifth preference, I can say I would like to join BSF as it has the marine wing, it has the air wing, and it gives me an immense opportunity to learn about these things also, sir.
You belong from Guna.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about Guna.
Sir, geographically, Guna, I can say, is a very diverse, because from the north it is the gateway of Malwa region, from the south it is the gateway of Chambal region, from the west it touches the Rajasthan boundary, and from the northeast it touches the Bundelkhand plateau. And in the west, Sindh river is flowing, and in the east side Parvati river is flowing. And Guna is mainly an agriculture dominant society, or the agriculture dominant, and it has tourist places like the Bajrangarh Forts, Guna Hanuman Tekri. These are the famous tourist places of Guna, and that's it. And sir, one more very important thing, sorry I forgot to tell you, that HVJ pipeline is going from Guna, and V for Vijayanagar, Vijaypur is in Guna. Yes, sir.
You belongs from the MP.
Yes, sir.
Tell me some major social problems of MP.
Sir, in social problem, MP somewhere has the caste system dominance. Another, sir, in second social problem is the problem of, as I can see in my area, the problem of dowry, sir, still persists in MP. So these are the social issues as I know.
And what are the major tribal issues in MP?
Yes, sir, there are tribal issues like, as we seen that the Bhil tribe is in MPPSC paper, even in MPPSC paper, it is titled as a what we call it, not a terrorist but a culprit tribe, or a tribe who steals things. So, sir, these are the things with the mentality of the people about the tribes that persist in MP, sir.
And what are the major social programs launched for the tribes?
Sir, as far as I can remember, the one program is Charan Paduka something, and sir, I have to read on this, sir.
What is the motto sentence of MP tourism?
MP tourism, sir, I don't know, sir.
You don't know.
Yes, sir.
Is there an MP tourism?
Sir, MP has tourism, but according to me, sir, it need to be more advertised or more promoted, sir.
So there is no promotional sentences.
No, there is promotional sense, definitely, sir, there is. But I am saying that MP has very good tourist places, but MP is not in the top tourist places of India. Means if it promoted well, then definitely, sir, MP will be the first or second priority for the tourist to visit, sir, because it has many places.
Okay. But it has not explored.
Yes, sir, that's the thing I would like to say.
How many national parks and tiger reserves are there?
Sir, there are 11 to 12 national park, and out of which 5 to 6 is, or 4 to 5 is tiger reserve, sir.
Can you tell me the name of all those?
I can try, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Bandhavgarh, in Bhopal is Ban Bihar, Panna, Painch, Sanjay Gandhi, and Palpul Kuno is one. These are I can remember, sir.
And Kanha National Park?
Yes, sir, Kanha is one more, sir.
Kanha is also?
Yes, sir.
Who is the MP from the Guna district?
Sir, Mr. KP Yadav.
To which political party he belongs?
Sir, from BJP.
BJP.
Yes, sir.
Recently, there were sub-elections
Yes, sir.
in Madhya Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
There were two CM faces. One was Kamal Nath,
Yes, sir.
Sri Kamal Nath ji, and another was Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
Ji, sir.
Which one you like most?
Sir, I can say, as such, I do not know personally to anyone. But
As a CM, I am asking.
as a CM, sir, Kamal Nath ji is from the Chhindwara area, and I never saw him directly, or I never saw him do any speech or anything. But Shivraj Singh Chauhan, we are watching from last many years. So that's why I can say that I am more good with Shivraj. But sir, definitely, if they will they will be in that phase, or they will make some really about the promotion in type, sir, then definitely I can go. Means, sir, it is about the things that what is doing, sir. As I, sir, may I?
This one.
Sir, as I here heard that in Chhindwara, Kamal Nath ji developed that area in a very good way. So these are the things that why I can say that I am supporting the Kamal Nath ji. But on the other hand, as I looking at the MP, I can say I'll go with Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So these are the things, sir.
You have hobby of public speaking.
Yes, sir.
Please take any of the issue and speak on that issue for 3 minutes.
Any of the issue, sir? Sir, may I take agriculture of MP?
Yes, sir.
Sir, may I take a minute?
Yes.
Am I ready, sir? Sir, MP is an agriculture dominant society where the agriculture is mainly dependent on the monsoon. and because of this somewhere MP is facing the agriculture distress, and there is no proper facilities of the irrigation also, and the monsoon dependent agriculture with no with lack of proper irrigation facilities make it more distressable. But if we go on the with past, we can say that there are many things that government will do to decrease the distress, like the HYV crop, HYE seeds and everything. But from the foremost thing of the showing, like there are the delay in monsoon creating the hurdles for the farmers with not availability of HYG seeds, after that irrigation, after that at the harvest time also the facility to get the labor is also decreasing day by day as labor is migrating. So these are the problems that MP's agriculture is facing. With the some of the solutions, like MP is somewhere increasing towards the more mechanized agriculture with proper irrigation facilities or more new techniques of the irrigation. These are the things where MP is doing good. MP is the soya state of India, and MP's production is also productivity is also increasing, and definitely the production. So these are the some positive things that MP agriculture have. That's all about the MP's agriculture, sir.
Okay. What important points one should keep in mind for public speaking?
Sir, there are
Tell me 10 points.
10 points. Sir, the first and foremost thing is on which type of audience you are going to interact. This is the basic thing. And the second thing is which type of the topic you have, on according to how much deep you can go. And third, you can emphasize on your language, like which language you will prefer and people will understand. The words that will use in language, sir. And another points, sir, it is the voice pitch should be maintained, and then that everyone can be audible, you are audible enough to everyone. And one more point should be like that a person should keep in mind that you are, when speaking something, that people are understanding that thing. And sir, one more thing that I would like to emphasize, that I love in Modi ji's speech, that the speech should be a two-way communication, because many a times people make a speech, it is just a one-way communication. So when if your speech is two-way communication, it is more impactful.
Suppose you have to give you marks out of 10, how much mark you will award to you?
In what?
Public speaking, what the topic you have chosen, and the marks suppose you have to give
Uh,
to yourself.
Sir, I will go for 7 to 8 marks, sir.
7 to 8. What do you know about the Barkatullah?
Sir, Barkatullah ji or the Barkatullah Bhopali was the freedom fighter from 1827 to not 1856 to 1927, and he made the first provisional government in Afghanistan with Raja Mahendra Pratap as the president of that government, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What exactly Naxalism is?
Sir, Naxalism is an name that derived from the Naxalbari district of West Bengal. It is based on the ideology of the Maoist, and it is increased, or it is spreading due to the direct foreseen underdevelopment in that area, sir.
What is the organizational structure of Naxalists from top to bottom?
Sir, I am not clear about it, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Whether the Madhya Pradesh is also facing the problem of Naxalism?
Yes, sir. In recent time, it is decreased, but still in Mandala and the Balaghat, there is some issues of Naxalism, sir.
Which?
In Mandala and Balaghat.
Balaghat.
Yes, sir.
Is there any central armed police forces which have been working there?
Sir, I do not know exactly, but definitely CRPF is working on these areas. And one more, that is MP government had made one more force, that is Indian Special Reserve Force for the Naxalite areas, sir.
What is Operation Green Hunt?
Sir, Operation Green Hunt was by CRPF in after the 2010 attack, and in which it is to eliminate the Naxalites, sir.
Oh. How will you differentiate between the golden corridor and red corridor?
Sir, golden corridor in geographical location is in the Pune to Gujarat, sir, and red corridor is in the eastern side, sir, from the Dandkaranya in the Dandkaranya plateau region, sir.
Tell me some initiative of the government of India to combat the problem of Naxalism.
Sir, the very recent is the Samadhan scheme, or the 8 points that government gave to fight the Naxalism. Another, sir, government is for fighting the Naxalism, developing these areas with many mobile communication technologies, or the increasing the mobile towers, better communication, and it is also encouraging the NGOs or the non-governmental organization to aware the peoples about everything, with decentralization also, like we seen in the Sandesh of Bihar, where due to the decentralization of proper establishment of panchayats, Naxalism is eradicated. So these are the steps that government is taking.
What is NDMA?
National Disaster Management Authority, I guess.
So what exactly it is?
Sir, it is the authority to handle any national disaster that happen in India, and to directly.
Authority or act?
It is, sir, act. Yes, sir, act.
Act, no?
Yes, sir.
Siva,
Yes, sir.
why MP is called Tiger State?
Sir, because MP has the largest tiger number
Why
in.
so? वजह क्या है कि अदर स्टेट से ज़्यादा है वहाँ पे?
Sir, at first that recently MP have that much of tiger numbers. Otherwise, Karnataka was the first one. And sir, the reason is that MP has the largest number of forest reserve in all India, sir.
Okay. And what are the major steps taken by the government, central government during the COVID-19 period? Which मतलब कि उस वक्त कौन कौन से बड़े प्रोग्राम थे जो उन्होंने लॉन्च किए थे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कोविड-19 के लिए?
Sir, the big programs is the very one big is the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and sir, with Atmanirbhar Bharat there is many for the economical development, or the increase in the manufacturing, like the vocal for local. Another is public sector. Sir, it is public linked. Sir, it is, I am forgetting the name. And these are the, sir, initiatives.
Tell me some guidelines which are issued by the MHA during the COVID. Which one are all of the people of the country or the world has to keep in mind?
Sir, that we need to have some social distancing at first.
Distancing, what is this social distancing?
Sir, it should be, I can say, it should be a physical distancing to maintaining the.
So what is the distance that the government has said?
It is, sir, 3 meter. At first, it was the 3 meter gap, sir.
In feet?
In feet, sir, one hand, I can say, 1 hand or 2 hand gap.
No, feet, in feet, not hands.
Sir, 3 to 4 feet.
Okay, no problem. In meter, 3 to. Okay, we will call you. Thank you.